I got a toolbox here I got for free. A buddy gave it to me, and I mean it's kind of old. I'm probably gonna need to paint it or something, but just for now, the only thing wrong with it is it's missing the lock. This is what it looks like inside. Just a nice little toolbox. Got a little hang on it, and so I'm gonna try to fix this thing. I went to Tractor Supply, and they had this Toolbox replacement lock cylinder from DZ. I guess you can see them at dz.com. This thing was 10 bucks. I don't know if it's the right size for that, but it looks like it is. I'm gonna give it a shot. There's no instructions in here or anything, but I'm gonna give it a shot, see if I can fix it. Okay. Well, I guess it just I guess I just gotta, well, let me show you. Okay, this thing is like this. I just gotta take this part off. I'll slip this through the back and then put this back on. I think that's all there is to it. Okay, got that on. Yeah, you just stick the key in like that. And it's locked. Okay. Now let me, I just gotta tighten that down. Okay, that's pretty tight. That'll do it. So, I mean, to replace that lock, it was pretty easy. All I had to do was stick this in and tighten her down. Stick it in, tighten it down. Now I'm using with the key. You just turn it like that. The lock's really tight. It's just a matter of pushing down and turning it. Worked like a champ.